Welcome to today's deep dive. We've got a really fascinating article today exploring how the American cut and sew industry is, well, it's actually reclaiming its global leadership.
Yeah, it's a massive shift from what we usually see.
Right. And our mission today is to uncover how smart automation is transforming these traditional factories into, high-tech powerhouses.
Huh.
So, okay, let's unpack this. Imagine a traditional manual cut and sew floor, like a slow artisanal bakery, but it's trying to keep up with a modern high-volume patisserie.
I like that. That's a great way to picture it.
Yeah, because craftsmanship is great, but relying solely on manual workflows creates these huge bottlenecks, especially in pattern production and material handling.
Exactly. And to understand how American businesses can suddenly compete with overseas labor, we really have to look at the sheer mathematics of material waste and automated efficiency.
The math of it, right.
Yeah, because that's where the real advantage is now. And this brings us to velocity plotters.
Okay, yeah.
They're providing these automated solutions like the Velocity ProCut X single ply cutter. And the hard data on this is just staggering.
I can imagine.
Adopting these systems drives up to a 40% productivity increase. And, it gets you 30% cost savings through optimized material usage. Oh, and 70% fewer imperfections.
Wait, really? A 30% cost savings just on the materials?
Yeah, just from the materials alone.
That's wild. It's almost like playing a flawless game of Tetris with textiles.
That is exactly what it's doing.
Because every inch of wasted fabric, whether it's, technical textiles or leather or really high-cost upholstery, that directly drains your profitability.
It does. And what's fascinating here is that this shift proves manufacturing's future isn't about finding the cheapest labor anymore.
Oh, yeah, interesting.
It's about speed to market, reducing waste, and just unparalleled precision.
But, playing perfect fabric Tetris is basically impossible if the digital design files can't talk seamlessly to the cutting machines on the floor.
Right? Oh, 100%. That is the hurdle. And it's why CAD integration is absolutely essential for factory managers who want to optimize their workflows.
So by CAD, we're talking about connecting with software like AutoCAD and things like that.
Right. AutoCAD, Gerber AccuMark, Optitex, all of those. Because integrating those eliminates all the file conversion bottlenecks.
Gotcha.
It ensures exact production repeatability, and it allows the workflows to flow instantly from the design right down to the physical cutting.
Which is pretty much the essence of scaling up via Industry 4.0 technology, right?
Exactly. It completely enables localized, on-demand, and custom production runs.
But I do have to ask, does this intense automation erase the craft in cut and sew? Or does it, simply elevate the human worker from a manual cutter to more of a digital orchestrator?
It's definitely the latter. This digital integration gives American manufacturers a massive competitive advantage because it allows ultimate agility.
Right.
They can pivot quickly based on whatever the market demands are rather than relying on, old manual workflows.
That makes total sense. So for you listening, whether you are sitting on an upholstered chair right now, or maybe driving a car, or wearing a tailored jacket, these hidden automated workflows are dictating the quality and the cost of your everyday items.
Absolutely. They touch almost everything we use.
Yeah. So to go back to that analogy, the high-volume patisserie is definitely here. But it leaves us with one final thought. If automated Industry 4.0 tech eventually makes production speed and precision perfectly equal everywhere in the world, will the ultimate competitive advantage shift entirely away from how something is made and instead rely purely on hyper-personalized design?